Hi, I'm Samantha, and I will be your virtual teaching assistant for today. But before we start our lesson, kindly group yourselves according to your habits and likeness. Please go to group 1 if you like dancing, and go to group 2 if you like music and singing. Go to group 3 if you love cooking and pastries, and for the mobile game fanatics, you will be the group number 4. As you finish grouping yourselves, please name your group with mathematical formula or anything related to numbers. This will be a fun learning activity in the form of puzzles. Are you familiar with 4-pick one-word game? I assume some of you have already played this in their smartphones, so we will no longer have a trial game. Please keep focused because the questions will only be flashed for 5 seconds. Kindly locate the activity sheet on the envelope given to you. Now, you are ready to answer the following puzzles. Please answer as fast as you can. Are you guys ready for this activity? Let's get into this.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4.
Time's up! Exchange your activity sheets with other groups and let's check your answers.
For number 1, the correct answer is how. Number 2 is insert. Number 3, the picture stands for video. And number 4, it's HTML.
Whose group got the perfect score? Please put your activity sheet inside the envelope.
Now, this is the pricing question. How do you insert video on HTML? Let us all learn about it in this video.
But before I let you watch this video, I want to leave some simple reminders and things to do. Take down notes about the necessary tags or elements being used to insert video on the web page. Some of these might be useful for later activity.
In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to insert video on the HTML. First, create a folder on the desktop of your computer. Name it with your group name. Then, locate the video on your computer and select any 2 video you like or suitable for your topic. Copy the video and paste it on your folder. Now, right-click the video and rename to number 1. Also, right-click the other video and name it as number 2. Then, right-click and select New to create new text document. Rename it with your group name and edit the extension into .html. Click Yes on the pop-up. The browser logo should also appear. Then, right-click and open with Notepad. Now, let's type the basics. Type the angle bracket, exclamation point, doctype, HTML, and then angle bracket. Don't forget the exclamation point. Type the HTML opening tag and closing tag. Type the opening head tag and closing head tag. Inside of it, please insert title so it will be located on the top of your website. In the middle, write your group name. Then, type the body opening tag and body closing tag. Let us type header 1 opening tag and the greetings for your website. For example, welcome to basketball website. Don't forget the closing header tag. If you like, you may type in center tag to center your greetings. Now let's insert your video. Type your video opening tag and video closing tag. Inside of it, type source src equals sign, double quote, and after that, minimize the notepad and right-click on video number 1. Then, go to Properties and click Security. Under Object Name, copy this path. When you're done here, go to your notepad and place it there. Don't forget the quotation mark between the angle bracket and then save. Now, let's try it. As you can see, we have the video, but it's not playing. So we need to type another element, which is control. Let's save and then let's check it again. As you can see now, we have the play button at the bottom of the video, but the video file is too big, so we need to add another element, the height and the width. We just have to type in height equals double quote 240 double quote and width equals then double quote 400 control then save. Let us try it again. As you can see, we now have the video playing in appropriate size. Now let's add another video. Copy this file and paste the new one underneath. What we are going to do is to rename the video number 1 into video number 2. Then save, and let's try if it plays. Now, we already have 2 videos in our web page. And that's how we insert videos on the HTML.
Did you understand the video? I hope you have learned from it because this video is related to our next activity. Before we start, I hope you are still with your group mates. I would like you all to read in chorus our house rules as flashed on the screen. All the groups are instructed to perform each task given to you. Each group will be given 15 minutes to rehearse, organize, and finalize their presentations. This activity will be guided by our house rules and will be scored using the rubric.